How long does someone have to reside in your property before they get rights, or you have to go through the formal eviction process to evict them? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our videos. Now, I constantly will get this question a lot about, hey, does my tenant have to live here for 28 days before they get rights, and I have to evict them through the court eviction process? The answer is no. There actually is no date in the law. Actually, it actually turns on the question of, did you, the owner, give possession of the property or the room or whatever you're letting your tenant stay in the home for the right to exclude others. And based on that question, if you intended to give them possession of a bed, a room, the whole entire house, at that point in time, when you made that agreement and give them keys and possession, that's when you have to give them formal notice to terminate their tenancy and go through a court eviction process. That can happen in a matter of minutes, basically. The minute you sign that lease, hand over the keys, you've given them possessory rights. And it's a very fact-driven analysis, basically. So you can't, someone can't tell you the number of days and so forth. I'll tell you this though, the number of days I see typically, if people saying, hey, it's 28 days or so forth, it's usually based on when a tenant has resided in the property before the particular tenant's rights accrue under a local eviction ordinance. Like in San Francisco, I think it's like 28 days. Other cities or counties have their local number of days someone has to reside there before their eviction control ordinance kicks in. But under state law, under general rule of law, like for landlord-tenant issues in California, it's the minute you sign the lease. If at that point your tenant doesn't voluntarily give you back possession, you have to formally give notice and follow the Code of Civil Procedure and the Civil Code. Those are the predominant statutes that govern landlord-tenant relationships. So hate to be the bearer of bad news. So if you signed a lease and your tenant acts up, you're going to have to give them formal notice of their mess up and give them an opportunity to cure in most cases. So if you have a situation like that, you need to talk to competent landlords counsel. Folks, if you have questions, put them in the comments below. Try to answer them to the best of my ability. Until next time, we'll see you then. Thanks.